Hello everyone, my name is Madhumita and I am presenting my project titled NVIDIA Stock Price Prediction using Alta AI Studio. This is an end-to-end machine learning project where I used Alta no-code platform to predict the daily high stock price of NVIDIA based on the historical stock data. Stock prices are highly volatile and can fluctuate every minute due to the market trends, news, or investor activity. Predicting how high a stock could go during a day is a common challenge in finance. In this project, I focused on predicting Nvidia's daily high stock price using machine learning so that we can better understand its price movement and potential trends. The objective of my project is to analyze NVIDIA's historical stock data and build a machine learning model that can predict the highest price of the day. The aim is to identify which model gives the best balance between the accuracy and speed between the Altus Auto model feature. The dataset was taken from Kaggle titled NVIDIA's Stock Prediction Dataset. It covers daily stock data from January 2018 to September 2024. The dataset includes the following columns: date, open, high, low, close, and volume. For this project, my target variable is high, which represents the maximum stock price NVIDIA reached on a particular day. I imported the dataset into the Altair Turbo Prep. Instead of doing manual pre-processing, I used the Auto Cleanse option, which automatically handles the missing values, unified data types, and reordered the dataset columns. After the auto cleaning process, I sent the clean dataset to the process area for model training. In the process area, I created my design workflow, which contained 4 main blocks. Retrieve. This block loads the NVIDIA's dataset into the workflow. Unify column types ensures all the data types are consistent. For example, converting date to date format and numeric value to the number format. It is a subprocess. Replace missing values automatically detects and fills any missing or null values into the dataset. Reorder attributes arranges all the columns neatly in the correct order, making the dataset ready for modeling. After completing these 4 blocks, I used the auto model for generating and train the multiple machine learning models. Alta handle the data splitting, training, and evolution internally, making the process fully automated and efficient. A subprocess is a small automated workflow inside the main process. Here there are 2 subprocesses: unify column types and replace missing value. So in unified column types, we have 3 blocks which converts nominal to text, text to nominal, and numerical to real. And in replace missing value, there are 4 subblocks, that is replace infinite values, and replace missing values. Using auto models, I trained 6 regression models: generalized linear model, deep learning, decision tree, random forest, gradient boosted trees, and support vector machine. Each model was evaluated using the relative error, standard deviation, and training and scoring time. These metrics help me compare the model's accuracy and performance. Here are my final model results. SVM support vector machine achieved the lowest relative error of 0.0074, giving the highest accuracy. The gradient boosted trees (GBT) model followed closely with the relative error of 0.0088, but it was much faster to train and score. The decision tree was overall the fastest model, though slightly less accurate. So the gradient boosted tree model shows the best balance between the accuracy and efficiency. Best accuracy support vector machine 0.0074, best speed and balance gradient boosted tree 0.0088, fastest model decision tree, weakest model random forest. Overall, gradient boosted trees were selected as the best performing model. This project shows that the Altair AI Studio can be used to build the accurate predictive models without writing any code. Gradient Boost and Tree performed the best overall for predicting NVIDIA's daily high stock price. The platform auto model feature made it easy to clean data, train models, and compare results efficiently. Thank you.